student, welcome back to trigonometric functions. In our previous video, we have covered the learning outcome, expressed the formula sine a plus minus b, cos a plus minus b, and tangent a plus minus b. In this video, we will be covering the learning outcome, express double angle formula. Okay, so what is double angle? When we are able to state any angle A as sine 2A equals to 2 sine A cos A. So when we are able to state A as 2A, we call this double angle formula. So we have cos 2A equals to cos square A minus sine square A, and also cos 2A equals to 2 cos square A minus 1, and cos 2A equals to 1 minus 2 sine square A. Notice that we are able to state A as 2A. So when we are able to state A as 2A, we call this double angle formula. So we have double angle for sine, cos and tangent. Okay, now let's look at the example for better understanding. Without using calculator, so be careful. When we are not allowed to use the calculator, you must give the exact value for your answer. You cannot give decimal point. You cannot give your answer in point form. It has to be exact value. Evaluate the following using the double angle formula. So clearly stated here using the double angle formula. Okay. So for the first question, they are asking us to find out what is 1 minus 2 sine square 75 degree. So we're going to look back at our double angle formula and we're going to find out which expression suits 1 minus 2 sine square 75 degree. Okay. So when you look at this formula, okay, this is sine 2a, 2 sine a minus cos a, and so on. So if you look one by one, the expression that suits our example is 1 minus 2 sine square a. Because our example just now is asking us to find 1 minus 2 sine square 75 degree. So among all this formula, we will choose to use cos 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine square a. So we will use this formula. Okay. So we have decided we're going to use this formula. Cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sine square a. So how are we going to write it here? So we're going to start with 1 minus 2 sine square 75 degree. Okay, which is on your right hand side. Equals to cos 2a. So a now is 75 degree. So this will give us cos 2 multiply 75 degree will be giving us 150 degree. Okay, but remember 150 degree is still not any of our special angle. So what are special angles? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So these are the angles that we know the exact value. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw my angle because I want to know which quadrant it belongs to. So this angle 150 degree belongs to the second quadrant, which is a sine quadrant. So since this quadrant belongs to sine, cos cannot be positive. So our answer is going to be a negative cos. So we need to find the reference angle to find the answer. So what is the reference angle of 150? So reference angle is the angle from your x-axis to your terminal side, so which is 30 degree. So our reference angle is 30 degree. So notice student, 30 degree is a special angle which we already memorized. So what is cos 30? Cos 30 is negative square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay students, can you follow this? Okay, I hope you are following. So we can't find 1 minus 2 sine square 75 using calculator, because without using calculator, because 75 degree is not a special angle. So we convert this to double angle formula and then we find the reference angle which happens to be a special angle which we can find the answer. Okay, now let's go to the next example. 2 tangent 22 and a half divided by 1 tangent square 22 and a half. So when we have tangent, we only have one choice to make. Okay, so if you look back at your double angle formula, for tangent, we only have one formula. So that is the formula that we're going to use to answer example 10b. Okay, so we're going to use tangent 2a equals to 2 tangent a divided by 1 minus tangent square a. So the right hand side here is this part. So which means 22 and a half is a. Okay, students. So I'm going to write this as 2 tangent 22 and a half degree divided by 1 minus tangent square 22 and a half degree equals to tangent 2a. So a is 22 and a half degree. Okay, students. So 2 multiply 22 and a half will give us tangent 45. And tangent 45 is 1. Okay, students, are you following? Okay, so if we are going to find out 2 tangent 22 and a half divided by 1 minus tangent square 22 and a half without calculator, it is impossible to do that. But when you use your double angle formula, it is possible to find your answer. So I hope you have achieved our learning outcome for this video, which is express the double angle formula. Thank you, students.